Hi, I'm Brandon and I don't have cancer! All right, here's what we're doing. One of my goals was to explore Southern California. Then
Coronavirus! Coronavirus!
we haven't been able to do anything for that, of course.
Okay, I'm bored in the house and I'm in the house bored.
Since then, but I wanted to think of something that we could go see, that we could just drive by it. And it's like, ooh, there it is. And maybe it's remote enough that if there's no one around, we can actually go out. And so I thought of going to see Wildflowers. So we're going to go do that. Here we go, Benny. I'm very excited, can you tell? I hope you can hear me because of the wind. I can't hear you! Makes it not possible. I just shot a whole bunch of stuff that I didn't know wasn't filming because there's a glare on my phone and I can't even really tell what's behind me, but vaguely. You can see it's a lot of sort of desert prairie and not a lot else, and it's really gorgeous and pretty and is not like actually what I thought we were going to come see. I thought we were going to come see Wildflowers, but this is even because there's no one else here, and so we don't have to wear a mask or anything because there's no other people around. We saw some wildflowers when we were coming in, but they were surrounded by people. There was just a lot of looky-loos doing exactly what we thought to do today. Okay, listen, we stopped anyway, but look. Look, it's barbed wire and cows and wildflowers. Oh my god, it's amazing. In any case, mission accomplished today. Did what I set out to do. I'm seeing California, I'm exploring stuff that I've never seen before, places I've never been. Places that ultimately very few people have been right here. There's literally dirt roads all around. But there's mountains, there's desert, there's sand, there's dirt. And I think we're going to look up there far enough. Some wildflowers. So this was like a nice middle ground for still accomplishing my goals this year of not being cancerous. All right, we're going to drive back home. It took like an hour and a half, a little over an hour and a half to get up here. And it was well worth it. Bye-bye. Oh.